Hello my dear friends and welcome back to my channel. This is my video about the first hands-on experience with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in Phantom Black, and also sharing with you a limited interesting offer by Samsung that you can buy this phone much cheaper. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can share more videos and special and interesting offers with you. To access this phone, I went to the Saturn Electronics store in Düsseldorf located in Co Gallery. As can be seen, the phone costs almost 1,800 euro in Germany, then VAT is included. From the first impression, I can tell that the phone looks much better than its predecessors, having a bigger and wider outer or cover display. And as it has a new hinge design, the phone is thinner and lighter than its predecessors. When the phone is folded, it's like a normal phone with its beautiful 6.2 inches AMOLED display. On the left side of the phone, the finishing is glossy black with Samsung is written, and at the back of the phone the same previous circular triple camera module design can be seen, and the color of the back of the phone is like matte black, which I like a lot. On the right side of the phone you can see the volume buttons and the lock button having a fingerprint sensor. The phone is a powerhouse equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 12GB of RAM and 4400 mAh battery. By unfolding the phone you can see its beautiful inner 7.6 inches AMOLED display and can be much more productive. The good news is that you can also use S Pen and increase your productivity. As you can see, a line can be seen where the hinge rotates, but the inner front camera is well hidden under the display. The other noticeable change is the new taskbar that is located at the bottom of the display, and by going to the different apps and pages you can see it with beautiful animation. Now let's see how we can purchase this phone. For many people, including me, buying a foldable phone is very hard since they are very expensive. But with this offer you can see the price will be much more reachable. First you should go to the official Samsung website, click on the Galaxy Z Fold, and then you will be on this page. Here it is written for a limited time till the end of September. By purchasing this phone you get 200 euro as an exchange bonus, 1 year free Samsung Care Plus, and 12 months of Disney Plus. But here is the trick, all of us probably have some kind of old devices that we don't use or want to get rid of. Here are some examples: Samsung smartwatch, Samsung smartphone, Apple smartphone, or Huawei, Honor, Oppo, Xiaomi smartphones or smartwatches, and even tablets can be seen in this list. In my case, for example, I have a Galaxy Watch that I don't use much. I go to a smartwatch Samsung and find my watch model. By accepting the terms and conditions, it can be seen that I can receive 210 euro for my old Galaxy Watch. And then you can see the price decreased to 1,589 euro instead of 1,800 euro. And here in the trading section you can see the information of your old device. To show you another example that this offer is not only for Samsung devices, I deleted the previous device, and imagine that you have a very old iPad tablet like the iPad mini 3 that you don't use at all. Go to Tablet Apple and find your iPad mini 3 model. By accepting the terms and conditions, you will see that you get 210 euro for that device. By confirming it, you will see the final price is reduced. I hope you liked my video and it would be helpful for you. Please like, subscribe and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my videos and interesting offers.